Hi guys, this is Sai Kumar Kurtivada. In this video, we will learn about CSS padding and I'll explain you brief about how to use padding in our HTML content by using CSS. So let me quickly jump into one more slide to understand what we will cover in this video. First thing, we will cover spacing between the main content and border inside box and is called as a padding. That is what we will cover. And we cover individual properties and how to use different shorthand methods for applying padding in HTML elements. That means I'll try to explain you individually each and every property and how to use them in a shorthand manner as well. So let me quickly jump into Visual Studio Code and let's learn about padding in CSS. So here what we'll do is first we'll try to apply some set of padding for this h1. So let me go here, reload, and you can see what is the padding for this. We don't have any padding by default. So let me apply some set of padding for four sides. So first thing is I'm using an element selector and let me go with a padding left of 10 pixel and padding right of 10 pixel and padding top of 10 pixel and padding bottom of 10 pixel. So I am applying all padding sides as 10 pixel. So let me go here and reload. So now if you observe this, all four sides are having same padding. So whenever all four sides are having same padding, we can use one more shorthand, that is nothing but just by applying padding as 10 pixel. Let me show you that. Here I'll apply padding as 10 pixel. So all sides are equal. So I'm applying a shorthand where the padding is equivalent to all sides of the box model. So let me go here and reload. Now you can see all sides has been applied with 10 pixel the same way how we have applied individually. For example, let me go with next scenario where the scenario is something like, let me comment this and let me copy these paddings, put it over here. Now I have 10 pixel on the left, 10 pixel on the right, and 20 pixel on the top and 20 pixel on the bottom. So here what we are trying to explain is left and right are equal, top and bottom are equal. Let me go here and reload and let's see. You can see the top and bottom are equal, left and right are equal. So now how we can make this as a shorthand? Let me go here and comment this. Let me go and write our padding with top and bottom. What is the top and bottom values? The top and bottom is 20 pixel. So let me apply 20 pixel, which is top and bottom, and now right and left 10 pixel. So this indicates 20 pixel will be on the top bottom and 10 pixel will be on the left and right. So let me go here and reload. Now the output is same. So this is a shorthand when you have top bottom as same value and left and right as same value. Now one more thing is I have four different values, then how to apply this. So for example, let me copy this, put it over here. My scenario is something like 20, 30 and then 40. So how to apply this? So let me go here and reload and you got 30, 10, 20, 30, 40. That means top as 30, bottom as 40, left as 10, right as 20. So now how to apply this as a shorthand? So it is very simple, like padding, and always we have to remember the clockwise direction. So first direction is on the top. So top is 30 pixel and the second direction is on the right. So right is 20 pixel and then bottom. So that is 40 pixel and then it should be on the left, that is 10 pixel. Now this is equivalent to this particular padding. So let me go here and reload. Now you can see same thing, top as 30, bottom as 40, left as 10, right as 20. So that's how you can use your shorthand for your padding. So this is how we can use our padding for our HTML elements. And these are the ways we can use our padding whenever you want to use a shorthand methods. So that's how padding will work. Hope this gives you a brief about your padding and usage of padding with shorthands. Hope you like my explanation. If you like my video, like, share, subscribe my channel for more updates. Signing off. Thank you.